Hi, this video is about how to say different pains and illnesses in French. Let's go. Let's get it started. I've got the flu in French is j'ai la grippe. J'ai la grippe. J'ai la grippe means I've got the flu. J'ai la grippe. Great. Next one. I have diarrhea. I have diarrhea in French is j'ai la diarrhée. J'ai la diarrhée is I have diarrhea. J'ai la diarrhée. J'ai la diarrhée. Great. That's it. Next one. I have a stomachache in French is j'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre means I have a stomachache. Great, that's it. Next one. I have sore throat in French is j'ai mal à la gorge. J'ai mal à la gorge. J'ai mal à la gorge. J'ai mal à la gorge means I have sore throat. Excellent, great. Next one. I've got chill. I've got chill in French is j'ai des frissons. J'ai des frissons. J'ai des frissons. J'ai des frissons means I've got chill. J'ai des frissons. Great. And the last one. I've got the stomach flu in French is j'ai la gastro. J'ai la gastro. J'ai la gastro means I have the stomach flu. J'ai la gastro. J'ai la gastro. Great, that's it. Alright, I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification if you haven't done it. And there are some recommended videos on the new screen so you can watch them. See you.
With